how to hide Instagram notes from someone. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was on Android, iPhone or Samsung. The process was same. So for that, we will simply go to Instagram app. So I will click on that. Once you click on Instagram app, on down right side, you guys will see profile pictures and click here. Also, you guys will see home. So simply click again on home. Now on top right corner, you guys can see message options. So simply click here. Now here, I don't have someone that quoted note or, but I will tell you how you guys can hide your note. So for example, I want to hide my note from that person. So simply I would hold. Here you guys see set reminder mode to generate. Also on downside mute messages. So simply click on mute messages. Once you click on mute messages, you guys will see for 1 hour, for 8 hours, 24 hours until I change it. So for a permanent mute, you guys can click on until I change. And once you select it, your note will be not shown to that person. Also, that person note will be not seen by you. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.